In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to keep two Cake PHP applications in sync, one of them being a development environment, the other one a production environment, using the Windows Tortoise SVN GUI client for Subversion. First thing we're going to do is a checkout of the Cake PHP source code, just to give us our basic directory structure. Now this isn't related specifically to Cake. You can use this for syncing any type of an application, whether it's just a basic website. We'll create a my app directory, which will be our production. Then we'll go ahead and create a dev app directory that'll be used for, of course, our development version. Since I've already got a project in source control, we'll do a checkout of Cake blog from the CakeForge website. Now once we have that checked out, this is remember, this is our production environment. We're going to branch this code. And what we'll do is we'll actually create an exact copy of our production site. We'll name that dev app, just like our directory on the server. And our client tells us we actually made a good copy. So we'll change to our dev app and we'll actually do a checkout of that branched code. Now what we have is two exact copies of the same application, one of them being in our trunk version and the other one being in a branched version. So we'll make a change to a development file. Let me move this over so you can just see the little change I'm making. My typos get a little out of hand here. It's the damn MacBook Pro keyboard. Now once we've changed a file here, you'll notice that once we save our changes, we get a nice little icon or overlay telling us that there's been a change to the file. So then we'll just do an SVN commit of that file. Okay. And that file has been updated. So now what we'll do is we'll actually go into our working environment and we're going to merge from our development environment once we know that everything is working properly with the development version. Now with Tortoise, you just click on the revision you want to merge and click the merge button. Now it is possible to merge multiple versions or revisions at one time, but I'm just showing you how to do one right now. It's basically the concept is still the same. And let me show you those changes did get merged properly. We'll go ahead and commit those to our production source control. The nice thing about keeping everything in source control like this is if we do make a change in our dev app, we've merged it in, then okay, hold on, something's missing here. If we actually make a change and we find out at a later time that we want to revert that change back, we can do it in our production environment. We can roll back revisions. I'm trying to show you how to delete a file here, which you would use something like this in an instance where you have in your development version you've deleted image files. There, it worked. Now we do a commit that we deleted this file. And all is good here. And we go back to my app, and we're going to merge again from our development branch. Choose the revision we want. And merge. You'll see that the file is deleted in our production environment also. So basically that gives you an understanding of how I do version control or use the tools that are available to keep my production going fairly easy.